Every future begins with a single step. Not with machines, not with buildings, not with plans, but with people. People who show up, even on days that are not easy. People who believe, even before results show up. People who choose to build something bigger than themselves. Because the future of an organization is not built in boardrooms. It is built on ground. In every shift, in every decision, in every extra step no one asked for. Behind every milestone, there's a name. Behind every success, there's effort. Behind every achievement, there's belief that refuses to quit. You are not just a part of Solex. You are its foundation, its energy, its momentum. And we see you. Solex cannot grow without you, and we don't want to. Because when you succeed, Solex succeeds. When you grow, Solex grows. And when we build the future, we build it together. This is not just a company. This is not just a workplace. This is a shared journey. The future we are building is bright. It is strong. It is full of promise. Because at the end of the day, companies don't build futures. People do. You do.